The overall picture is that over the last decades, the AMOC has been in a very weak state.
In less than 30 years, scientists' description of the ocean has completely changed.
For more on the Global Climate Summit, which begins next week, there are concerns that governments
Compared to the last nearly 2,000 years.
Did you know that the giant underwater system regulating Earth's climate is now showing signs of slowing down? Scientists say this could lead to catastrophic changes in our weather, and it's happening right now. Welcome to .Ocean. Today, we dive beneath the surface to uncover a shocking secret: how the world's ocean currents, the very heartbeat of our climate, are being disrupted in ways we never expected. Let's break it down. The Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, is a part of a massive global current system. It moves warm water from the tropics northward and returns cold water southward, regulating temperatures across continents. But here's the issue. Climate change is melting glaciers, especially in Greenland. This pours a huge amount of fresh water into the Atlantic, and that's dangerous. Fresh water is lighter than salty water. It disrupts the balance of salinity and temperature that drives the AMOC. In other words, it's like throwing a wrench into Earth's climate engine. In 2025, a massive iceberg named A84 broke free from Antarctica. What scientists found underneath it stunned them: a hidden ecosystem, untouched for centuries. This was more than just a natural wonder. It was proof that our planet is shifting fast. At the same time, the European Space Agency's Cryosat mission discovered underground lakes forming beneath Antarctic ice, destabilizing the very foundations of the ice sheet. What does this mean? Ocean currents like the AMOC are driven by dense, salty, cold water sinking in the north. But with too much fresh water, this sinking process slows, like a conveyor belt grinding to a halt. Here's the real shocker. A 2024 study published in Science Advances shows the AMOC is weaker now than at any point in the last 600 years. The consequences? Europe could get colder while the tropics overheat. The Amazon rainforest could dry up, monsoons could fail, and sea levels along the U.S. East Coast could surge unexpectedly. And there's more. Scientists have found links between solar activity and subtle seismic shifts beneath the oceans. Yes, you heard that right. The sun might be playing a bigger role than we thought. So what have we uncovered? Ocean currents are slowing. Icebergs are uncovering ancient ecosystems. Subglacial lakes are threatening ice sheets. And the climate system is teetering toward a tipping point. What do you think about the hidden forces shaping our planet's future? Could ocean currents be the secret key to understanding climate change? Don't miss out on more explorations into Earth's greatest mysteries. Subscribe to .Ocean, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to understand what's really happening beneath the surface.